Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Telegram business login issues, phone number errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing phone number errors when logging into Telegram business, follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. First, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data settings to confirm that you are online. Next, restart your device to refresh the connection. Open the Telegram business app once again. On the login page, enter your phone number carefully. Make sure to include the correct country code. Double-check for any typos in your phone number. If you receive an error message, tap on Resend Code to request a new verification code. Wait for the SMS containing your verification code. If you do not receive the code, check if your phone can receive SMS messages. Ensure that your device is not on airplane mode. If you have recently changed your SIM card, make sure it's inserted properly. If the problem persists, try using a different phone number if available. Consider registering with a landline number for verification if you are unable to receive SMS. If you receive the code but cannot log in, ensure that you are entering it within the time limit. In case you are still stuck, check for any updates available for the Telegram business app. Visit your app store and look for updates. After updating, restart the app and attempt to log in again. If necessary, uninstall and reinstall the app to eliminate any corrupted files. Once reinstalled, go through the login process again with your phone number. If all else fails, consult Telegram's official support page for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the phone number error and successfully log into Telegram business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.